never seen me before.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm so sorry that the audio for this video is so bad. My microphone settings were mistakenly tampered with, so all of my audio was not recording the entire time. So all we have left is the in-camera audio. I was not going to put up this video, but I did put up a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you still wanted to see this video, and 77% of you said yes, that I should go ahead and upload it as it is. I tried my best to fix the in-camera audio as much as I could, but you guys already know the in-camera audio is pretty bad. It's very echoey. It has lots of clicking sounds from the lens trying to focus. But I did try my best, so I hope you enjoy the video anyway, and let's get right back to what we were talking about.
Hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. One, two, three, go. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome to another edition of You Tried It, where you... Wait, no, me, you, who? Where I try different products for you guys. And today we are doing a tryout of the Morphe 39A palette. You know what? Let's just jump right into the tutorial, and then I'm going to come back and we will discuss this palette, the formula, how it feels, the blendability, the pigment, all of that. So I hope you enjoy. Let's just... Okay. You can go now. You can go watch it now. Just... We're done.
I primed my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cold Tan and the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm taking the color called Define Me and I'm sweeping it all over the crease and actually above the crease as well, just using a regular blending brush. And then going in with the color called Vivid and applying that just below the previous color. Going back in to blend out any harsh lines. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan once again. This time I'm using it to cut my crease. I actually like to look up whenever I'm doing this because I do have hooded eyes. So whenever you look up, you will get some color transfers. So I would just rather go above the crease. And I also set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm taking this matte blue called Indigo and patting it all over the carved out crease area, but I'm only taking it about halfway because I do want to kind of transition it to this kind of navy, not navy, army green, kind of. This color is called Pine, I believe. Yeah, Pine. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the patches on there. I'm not sure if it has to do with the concealer, but it is what it is. I sprayed another brush with some MAC Fix Plus and went in with this beautiful blue. It's a shimmer color called Dare Me. And the shimmery green color is called Inspire. I kind of overlapped it onto that blue. For the inner corner, I used the color called Tailor. I did have some fallout, so I just cleaned that up, reapplied foundation, did the rest of my face. I also lined my waterline with the Ruby Kisses eye pencil. I believe it's called Rich Teal Blue. I swept Define Me all over the lower lash line and then went in with Vivid closer to the lower lash line. For brow bone highlight, I used the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Le Peach highlighter. And I later did go back in to add some mascara to the bottom lashes. And this is the completed look.
So we are back. To be honest with this look, you guys, it's really not one of my favorites. I feel like the artistic side of me is really, really wishing that the, what is it called? The transition nearest to where the cut crease action is happening. I wish it was just darker, either like a dark red, or yeah, I think a dark red would have made me happy, but this palette doesn't have a dark red. It has like this cranberry, not cranberry, it has like this purpley berry color. So this color right here, maybe it could have looked good with this eye look, I don't know, but either way, you know, it is what it is. We've already done the eye look, so we're just gonna move on to the next tip. In case you're wondering, the lashes I'm wearing are from XO Beauty in the style The Rebel. For lips, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Luminizer. I think that was the name for it. I bought this palette a while ago actually. This thing is massive and it looks like this. I purchased mine on December 13th. It was shipped out on that same December 13th. And it was delivered to me on December 19th. I do want to talk about the formula. It is a different formula than all their other palettes. I have the Morphe 35B palette, and I have some like super old Morphe individual eyeshadows. I also have the original 35O palette, by the way. Although I do agree this palette is very pretty, however, for my skin tone in particular, I feel like a lot of these colors are kind of useless. A lot of these I can basically just find in the 35O. These ones in the middle here, I'm assuming they're larger because maybe somebody can use them to like bronze or contour, I don't know. Maybe because they're more transition like colors, that's why they decided to have bigger pans for these. These actually remind me of the sizes of the Suva Beauty individual eyeshadows that I've used on my channel before. This retails for $32 and it includes 39 eyeshadows in it. On their website it says it's supposed to be a limited edition holiday collection, so I'm not sure how much longer it'll be available or if it's just gonna be permanent. I don't really know. It comes with that like sleeve of all the eyeshadow colors, and I hate it because it's a loose item. I would just prefer to have the eyeshadow names already on the palette. Having a separate sleeve is very useless to me. It's annoying. On the website it says these 39 super pigmented shades create your ultimate color wheel. Create some party magic with 4 rows of the perfect color combos and a row of supersized transition shades. Be your own muse. We dare you. I like the fact that they incorporated warm tones and cool tones in it because I'm really sick and tired of all the straight up warm tone palettes. It's like, let's move past it. It's time to let that relationship go. It has overstayed its welcome. I will say overall, I'm very impressed with the 39A. The eyeshadows blended very, very well. They were so soft. I'm very shocked at the fact that Morphe was able to come out with a formula like this while keeping their prices low. I was not expecting the shadows to be that soft. Not soft in the sense that they were easily, you know, breakable, but just in the sense that it's very buttery when you go into each color. I wish they put in a matte deep red or a matte fire orange in a way. I did have some fallout, but that's nothing new to me, especially when it comes to Morphe palettes. I feel like it's a trade-off I'm willing to deal with simply because I would rather the eyeshadows be more blendable and pigmented and I can just deal with the fallout after the fact. You guys already know I actually prefer to go in with foundation and then do the eyes. So sometimes I do have to go back in and clean up fallout and reapply foundation to those areas. I don't know, for whatever reason, I just cannot bring myself to doing eyes first and then going to the base. It just makes me feel like I'm gonna mess up. Like I'm just gonna, it's weird. I don't know, but let me not say I'll never do it because I never thought I'd be the kind of person to start brows and then go to foundation and then later on finish off brows. So there's always going to be that sense of, you know, changing up your routine and evolving in a way, kind of. I mean, it's not that deep, but you know, if you look at all the shadows in the palette and you calculate everything, it's about 82 cents per eyeshadow. Mind you, some of them are really big because of the transition shades that are incorporated right through the middle of the palette. I mean, I know they're not sold as individual eyeshadows, but still in my head, it makes me feel better about the purchase. So this was just a super quick you tried it video. And by the way, before I forget, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. We hit 100K on Thursday and it just feels so amazing. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everybody who shared my YouTube channel, trying to get more people to subscribe so we could reach 100K faster. Thank you for everyone that sent their love and their encouragement and their support. And you guys are just so amazing. And I'm so happy that our family has grown this much, considering I was only at 10K in like what, July of last year, which is what, 6-7 months ago. August, September, October, November, December, January. No, yeah, 6 months ago. I can count, I promise. So from someone who thought that nobody would really want to watch her on YouTube, thank you sincerely. Thank you for encouraging me and uplifting me. And I know I say this a lot, like, dang, you gotta say this every single video. We get it. No, but seriously, you may get it, but you really don't get it. And I don't think I could ever really say that enough, just how happy I am that you guys are so well receiving of me, so well receiving of my personality, my humor, my style of videos, my spirituality, just everything about me. So thank you guys so much. And yes, the giveaway is still coming. I know I keep saying it, but I just feel like I get so overwhelmed with all the video ideas that I have. Then I don't get a chance to actually put things together, to organize. I have all the products I need. I just have to kind of organize my thoughts and my strategy in how to carry out the giveaway, because I will be having one for YouTube and also a separate one for Instagram, and you guys will be free to participate in both giveaways, so you get even twice the chance of winning, and it will be international for both platforms. So I just give me a little bit of time to organize it, because I have the products. Like I don't need to add anything more as far as what I'm giving to you guys. It's just the strategy behind it and the distribution. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. And speaking of that giveaway, if you want to make sure that you do not miss the announcement video, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, and also hit the bell to get all notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And also follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I feel like here you guys get to see like my personality, and you know, it's the more kind of a little bit more raw. I mean, Snapchat is probably the most raw platform of them all as far as getting to know me more. YouTube is just like, you know, us having fun, blah, blah, blah. But Instagram is my artistic side. It's the side where I really get to put out my work that I create in a way that's visually pleasing to me and hopefully visually pleasing to you guys. So yeah, check me out on all those social media platforms. I will have everything down below in the description box and also on this video itself. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.